Want to be able to listen to lossless streaming music with wireless headphones? Now you can, thanks to Spark Ultra Wideband technology. Up until now, it has not been possible to listen to lossless music using wireless technology because the data rates simply aren't supported, or the solution is too complex and too power hungry. Spark Ultra Wideband was specifically designed for ultra-low power operation, but provide high data rates and low latency, which makes it ideal for audio applications. Here in front of me, we have a reference platform which is designed to enable headset manufacturers to evaluate our technology. Here we have a USB-C dongle that incorporates the Spark Ultra Wideband transceiver and wirelessly transmits uncompressed audio data to the headset. The headset is capable of receiving audio bit depths of up to 24 bits and sample rates of up to 96 kilohertz. Because there is no compression or decompression and it sends raw data across the link, the latency is very low. So you can have latencies as low as 5 milliseconds with this solution. There's also an audio back channel for a microphone, which can also have latencies of 10 milliseconds or lower. This is a perfect solution for any high-end audio listening application, video conferencing, or gaming solution where low latency and high quality matters. If you're interested, please check out our website for more information.